In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a boomerang on Instagram using your camera roll. Now, make sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by going on your story and clicking on Boomerang. Now, from here, you're going to go into the bottom left corner and click on your camera roll. Now, it's important to note that these are going to be live photos that are turned into boomerangs. You'll see that only on the top left of some of your photos, the ones that are live, have a boomerang symbol. So I'm going to use this one, and since it's not moving yet, I'm going to click on Create a Boomerang from your live photo. Once that's done, it creates a moving photo from your camera roll into a boomerang story. And that's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.